Hi there, Vuetify has a nice stepper component that one can use for wizards. I found the Vue-Form-Wizard component and decided to try it out inside Vuetify. One is able to customize it to show icons, fire events, and also its structure. It can be a circle, a tab, or a square. One is also able to specify the color they need. There is however a little glitch when a square and a circle is specified, as these are not properly drawn. On the code side, we have a root component. We add a container to it with some rows. We build each form wizard, specify its events. The events are linked to the identify of each form or tab component. The onComplete method fires when the finish button is clicked. The before change method fires on a particular tab. One can then design their tab contents to suit their needs. I hope to explore this further and see how it performs. Enjoy!